Okay, so here is my braid pattern. I did a total of 14 braids in the front. I connected those braids and I have a total of 7 braids in the back. You don't have to do your braids as small as I did in the front, but because of my hair is so thick, I chose to do them small. You could do maybe 10 in the front and connect those and have 5 braids in the back. It just depends on the thickness of your hair. The hair that I chose to use is by Afri-Naptural Caribbean. It's the beach curl in 18-inch. I used a total of 4 packs. I got 3 packs in the color 1B, and then for my 4th pack I did 1B/30. The hair already comes in pieces, which makes it easier to separate. I usually separate those pieces into 2 to 3 pieces. It just depends on the size of it. Okay, so the way that I crochet hair, I stick my hook under the braid, and then I get my piece of hair. You want to put it on that hook. You want to make sure that hook is closed. Once that hook is closed, you want to pull that through, not all the way, just enough to form a loop. You're going to take one piece of the hair, you're going to hook that, make sure that your hook is closed, and then you're going to pull that through your loop. So now you have 2 pieces of hair. So now you want to take a small piece of hair from both sides. So now that you have your 2 pieces, you want to take those 2 and tie those into a knot. You don't have to do this method your entire head. You could just do wherever you want your part. If you're going for a middle part or a side part, you want to make sure you do this method so you won't see your knots. However, I do my entire head with this method. I'm just extra. I love the realistic look. Yeah, it's not my hair, but I want it to look real. As you work your way up, you want to make sure you're grabbing smaller pieces, especially close to your edges. Right here, I am just showing you again. I take that hair, latch it on that hook, make sure my hook is closed. I pull that through to get a good loop. And right here, I'm showing you without the hook how you would take one piece of hair, put that through your loop, and then you want to pull that gently. You're going to take one piece, and then you're going to take another piece from the other side. You want to tie those two to form a knot. I tie it twice. This method is very time consuming, but it is well worth it.
Okay, you guys, so here are the end results. I just have it pinned up, but it came out really pretty. It's really cute. And you can see the little bit of the color that I did. I didn't do too much of it. If there's any questions you guys may have, please ask me in the comments below. And I want you guys to let me know how you think it turned out. Is it cute? Would you rock this style? And if there's any type of hair that you guys have tried and think I may like, please let me know. And thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys next time.